Imagine creating a stunning website that rivals those crafted by professional developers, but without ever needing to write a single line of code. Today, we're diving into the future of web design as we unveil the secrets of building your own website using AI, making the seemingly impossible possible. Imagine this. You have a vision for a website, but you don't know the first thing about coding. No worries. With AI, that vision can turn into a beautiful, fully functional online presence. So, how does this magic happen? Let's dive into the process. First, fire up your web browser and let's begin our search for the perfect AI website builder. I'll be using Google, but feel free to use your preferred search engine. Type into the search bar, AI website builder, and hit enter. As you can see, there are numerous options to choose from. But don't worry, I'm here to help you pick the cream of the crop. To find the best AI tool, we need to consider a few key factors. Ease of use. We want something beginner-friendly. Templates. A wide variety of templates can save us time. Customization. The ability to make our site unique. AI capabilities. How smart is it? Can it adapt to our needs? Cost. We'll need to factor in our budget. Now let's click on the website builder called 10Web. This looks promising. 10Web AI Website Builder is easily one of the most powerful tools of its kind. You can use 10Web AI Website Builder as a text-to-website tool by answering a few questions, and it will generate a suitable website for you. The design wizard allows you to hone in on the ideal design for your website. You can choose the color scheme, layout, and tone of voice. By just providing a few other details about your company and brand, 10Web has all it needs to generate a unique website tailored to your needs. Your site will even come with custom content and images out of the box. Back on 10Web, create an account or login like I will be doing here. We're going to click on Create a new website with AI. I would like to create an information website, but you could choose either options. We're going to fill in the business type for the website. I will be choosing a photography blog niche. Afterwards, you'll be able to choose from a variety of colors for your template. At the moment, there are only 3 template options, so choose wisely. I'll go with option 1. Next step would be to type in your company name, also a short description for your company. You can also let AI handle the description part. You can use the built-in AI for 10Web, or you can just use chatgpt for this part. Once done, just click Next. Since this is a photography business, 10Web knows I'll be providing services. So I'll enter 3 services or let 10Web choose for me the 3 services I can do. Now is time to wait for the magic to happen. This could take a few seconds to minutes, or even up to hours. Once it is done creating the website, click on Preview and Edit. Now you can finally see the website created for you using your template. AI generate tailored content and images based on your answers you entered earlier. Everything you see is customizable, from the text to the images to the links and headers. You can now either customize individual sections to meet your needs or let AI regenerate that section for you. Now you can maximize your value while minimizing the time spent. Before we go, if you found this step helpful and you're excited about the rest of our journey to create a website without coding using AI, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest tutorials and tips. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're as pumped as we are about the power of AI in web design. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next step of this incredible journey. Thanks for being part of our community, and until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep innovating.